Hello everyone and welcome dear all in the class of mathematics, and today I am going to explain the topic exponents, and this is the second video for this week. So now students, let's start. Here you can see first we have to understand base and exponent concept. Okay, so what we can see here, that in the number 5 square, I have given one example only here. In the number 5 square, 5 is called the base and 2 is called the exponent here, because 5 is written downside here, so that is the base and 2 is the exponent. Okay, and here you can say that 5 is in 5 square. This means what? If the power is 2 or exponent, the power and exponent are the same words here. So if the power or exponent is 2 here, then you will write that 5 into 5. 2 times you will multiply the base with itself only. 2 times you will multiply the base with itself. That means 5 into 5 equals to 10. Okay. Now, and we can say this 3 to the power 4. This you will write what? 3 to the power 4. So 3 is the base and 4 is the power or exponent here. Then you can write that 3 to the power 4 is equals to, since the power is 4 here, so you will multiply the 3 with itself 4 times. 3 you will multiply 4 times with itself only. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that will give the result 81, because 3 to the power 4 is 81. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, and 27 into 3 is, that is 81. Then here in these two examples, we can say that 5 square and the number second 3 to the power 4. First we can say 5 square or 5 to the power 2, and the second number 3 to the power 4 are in exponential form or power notation. So we can understand that the way of representing the number like this with exponent or power. The number when you write with the exponent or power, 5 square, or you can say 3 to the power 4, this type of representation of number is known as exponential form or power notation. That's clear? Now see some laws of exponents, some importance, you can say some laws of exponents. First one is here, a by b raised to the power m into a by b to the power n is equals to a by b to the power m plus n. Okay, that means you can see the base is same, a by b and a by b. In both the exponential number, base is same. So when the base is same and the numbers are multiplying, then in the result you write the same base and add the exponents only. Add their exponents, so that will come m plus n. Here m and n are any integral power, any power it is only. Okay, you can say, so whatever power it is given, you will add that. Okay, real number power it is. So now example here, 2 by 5 to the power 4, 2 by 5 to the power 6. So you can see the base is same, 2 by 5 and 2 by 5, and the powers are 4 and 6. Powers are 4 and 6. So in result you will write the number with same base and add the exponents, means power, add their powers. So 4 plus 6 is 10 here, because you multiply. When you multiply these such type of exponential number, then you have to add their exponents. Okay, so result will be 2 by 5 to the power 10. This is the answer here. Okay, so this type of question you can solve. Now this question you see, when a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n, then result is a by b to the power m minus n. Power you will subtract. First number power minus second number power you will do. The exponents you will subtract. The exponent of second number subtract from the exponent of first number, because their base is same, a by b and a by b. If their base is same, you will write the result with same base, and at the place of exponent find their difference. Write the difference of exponents. So for example, You can write 13 by 5 to the power 10 divided by 13 by 5 to the power 6 is equals to 13 by 5 to the power 10 minus 6, means power subtract that and write the number with same base, that the base which you are seeing here. Here also the base is same, 13 by 5 and 13 by 5. So in result also write the number with same base, that is 13 by 5, and powers, that means at the place of power write the difference of the powers, that means subtract the exponent of second number from the exponent of first number. So 10 minus 6, you will get that 13 by 5 to the power plus 4. Okay, now next formula, this a by b to the power m, this m power you will take on the numerator and denominator both, because this m is the common power here. Okay, so you will write like this example: 2 by 7 to the power 3 is equals to 2 to the power 3 by 7 to the power 3. This 3 power will come to the numerator 2 and the denominator 7. It will come to both the numbers. So you will write 2 by 7 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 3 by 7 to the power 3 means 3 power, then you multiply 3 times here, 2 into 2 into 2, and then here also on the 7, on 7 also 3 power, so 7 into 7 into 7. The result is 8 by 343. 7 to the power 3 is 343 and 2 to the power 3 is 8. I hope it is clear. Now next, a by b to the power 0 is 1, means when you give the 0 power on the base, the result becomes the 1 only, it becomes 1. So you can write example: 6 by 13 to the power 0 is 1 here. If you have given the 0 power, then the number is negative now this time. Minus 5 by 9 is a negative rational number, and here also if power is 0, then result is 1. Minus 5 by 9 to the power 0 is 1. Next, minus 3 to the power 0 is 1. Okay, this minus 3 is a negative integer and the power is 0, then its value is equals to 1. Now express the following numbers. Some questions here. Express the following numbers in power notations. So first number you can see, you can solve 25 by 49. This you can only solve easily. And the second is minus 125 by 64. So first number, first we will solve that 25 by 49. Obviously here 25 is 5 square and 49 is 7 square. So we can write 25 means 5 into 5 and 49 is 7 into 7. Okay, then you will write that it is 5 square by 7 square, because 5 into 5 is 5 square here and 7 into 7 is 7 square. So result is 5 by 7 whole to the power 2, because this 2 power is common power of numerator and denominator. 5 has 2 powers, 7 has 2 powers. So this 2 power you take common, then result is 5 by 7 whole to the power 2. So this way the number is now in power notation. So this number is in power notation, our exponential form. Now second number question was this only, minus 125 by 64. So first you will prime factorize minus 125, then you will get that it is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 is minus 125. Okay, minus 3 times you have to use, you will prime factorize, then you will get that. And since the negative minus 5 number you have multiplied 3 times, means odd number of times, then the product will be negative only. When any negative numbers you multiply odd number of times, then the product will be negative only. But when you multiply the negative numbers even number of times, then the product will be positive. So here 4 into 4 into 4, that is positive, that is 64, 4 cube. That you will get by prime factorization only. So here 3 times multiply, so give the 3 power, minus 5 to the power 3 and 4 to the power 3. Then the result is minus 5 by 4 whole to the power 3. This 3 power you can take common, 3 and 3. The 3 is the common power of numerator, minus 5 and 4. So this power you take common and write here, upside here. So now this given number is in exponential form. This number is exponential form or in power notation, because this is given in the form of power minus 5 by 4 to the power 3. Okay. Now this question you can express the given number as a rational number. This is opposite question, that in this number is given in exponential form, means power notation. So convert them into rational number. Convert it into rational number. So you can write that minus 3 by 2 to the power 4 is this 4 power you take on numerator and denominators. Okay. So minus 3 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 4, as formula I have said. This common power you will take on both the numbers, numerator and denominators. So this is what? 4 power, then you multiply 4 times, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Yes, you will write here. Okay, so 4 times you will multiply that. And downside also this 2 you will multiply here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, because 4 power here. Then result you will get 81 by 8, minus 3 4 times. So this 4 times means it is even number of times, minus 3 only 4 times means even number of times. So result is positive 81, and downside 2 to the power 4 is 8. Now this is the rational number, required rational number. Okay, 81 by 8. So now you can solve exercise 5a, question number 2 to 6 for expressing rational number as a exponential form and exponential form numbers as a rational number. This is your homework, students. So now thank you everyone, and do watch these videos nicely for understanding all the things.